Hello guys, in this video we will talk about this pointer. So this pointer holds the address of the current object. The current object means the current object of the class. This pointer holds the address of the current object of the class. So it is implicit when we access the class members. The keyword for this pointer is this, and we can access the member using these two ways: pointer this dot member name, then this arrow member name. For throughout understanding, please see this code. What I have done here, look, I created a class named person, and it holds two private members, name and age. I have declared a function getData here, which will take an name and age as argument, and then I assign the value to these members. Name is equals to n and age equals to a. Then simply what I have done, I have simply display the name and age by using these three methods. First, simply the member name, name and age, you can see. Then using this pointer, this dot name and this dot age, using this keyword I can access like this, and I can also access like the asterisk this, then dot member name means age, name and age. So see the output. Okay, name Praful age 12, name Praful age 12, name Praful age 12. It is giving me same output because from main function I have called like this. So now understand what this pointer is doing here. When I use the keyword this here, then it is holding the address of the current object. Current object is P, then it is holding the address of P here, and then from the address it is accessing the member. For this object it is accessing the member for the current object. Now what is the use cases of this pointer? So suppose the argument name is same as the class member names, so same name here, age here, age here. Then when I assign like this, now look for the output. It is giving me garbage value here and nothing here. Why it is? Because the compiler is confusing then what is the argument and what is the actual member name. Both are same, so it is confusing that what is assigning to what. So here we can use this name, this age, means now it is known to us that this name, this age means these are the members of this class, and this is the argument name and age. So now when I compile it, then it is giving me the right output. This is how we can use this pointer. It's all about this pointer in this video.